Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant forest, there lived a wise old oak tree named Ollie. Ollie was revered by all the other trees for his wisdom and strength. One day, a small bark beetle named Buzz made its way to Ollie's trunk. "Ollie," Buzz said, "I bring news from afar. A swarm of my kin has been destroying forests, and they are coming closer every day." Ollie, with a heavy heart, responded, "I fear for our forest. What can we do to protect ourselves?" Buzz, with a glint in its tiny eyes, said, "I have a plan. We must work together, share our strength, and stand united against these pests." The trees rallied together, forming a united front against the impending threat. They shared their sap, their leaves, and their strength, strengthening their defenses. Ollie, with his deep roots and sturdy trunk, took the lead, guiding the others. When the bark beetles arrived, they found a forest unlike any other. The trees stood tall and strong, their defenses impenetrable. The beetles, unable to find a weak spot, flew away, disappointed. The forest celebrated their victory, and Ollie, with a contented sigh, said, "Together, we have shown that unity is our greatest strength. Let this serve as a reminder: when we stand united, no challenge is insurmountable." From that day forward, the forest flourished, a symbol of unity and resilience. The trees continued to share their strength, learning that it was their unity that protected them from the threat of the bark beetles. And Ollie, the wise old oak, continued to guide them, his lessons a reminder of the power of unity. Moral asterisk: united we stand, divided we fall. Strength lies not in individual might, but in collective unity and cooperation.